Okay, well, this is my first unboxing event I've ever done or posted to YouTube, so I thought I'd do that with the arrival of my new HoneyComb Yoke. Came shipped in a box. I cut this part off the tape. I'm sure that doesn't disappoint anybody, but notice that on the box, I'm always kind of watching for that kind of stuff. Some damage in the top there, probably just normal shipping thing. Doesn't look like there's any damage in the inside because they packaged it very well. But so opening up the box, we've got the honeycomb box. So take it out here. Okay, so I just got it out of the box and it's a perfect fit, kind of a snug fit. Got to set it on the side to get it out. And so just got the sleeve here. Take that off there. So just the sleeve come right off. Really professionally boxed so far, looks really good. And let's see here. And here we go. So, nice packaging, foam material. Owner's manual. Some cable, USB-C, I'd assume. USB-C cable. Not quite sure what this is. I assume this connects the yoke to maybe the switches. And I'm guessing this is the mounting bracket for the yoke. So we're going to set this aside. And there she be. So looks like we've got, oh yeah, for the desk. Heavy duty. This is a heavy metal construction. This is all metal, by the way. Not cheap plastic like over here that is with my, it's not a bad yoke, but the CH product flight sim yoke. All plastic, including the attachments underneath, as you can see there. But these are heavy metal construction. This is all metal, folks. And get this unboxed here. Okay, I had to have some help from my son here. So unboxing. And here we are. She purdy. There's the beauty. So that's it. Thanks, Tyler. So that's it. Yeah, I like the grip. Nice soft plastic. Switches all seem to be good. Yeah, okay, there's just the one switch. I kind of remember that. I thought there might be one underneath here, but doesn't look like it, but that's okay. Got your switches here, and beacon, landing, taxi, nav, strobe, and then of course the start switches. But I'll have to say, A+ for quality of product. I'll do a review later on of the yoke. Alpha Flight Controls, their honeycomb, very professionally done, professionally packaged. As you can see, there's more foam in there. Great packaging, protection of the device. Device was received, looks like it's in good shape. So I'll get it connected up, and yeah, again, going to be replacing my CH flight sim yoke. Notice I have the CH throttle control quadrant. I'll replace that along with the pedals. Anyway, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. It's my first video, and yeah, didn't have anything scripted here. Just wanted to catch this. For those of you that are interested or are waiting your arrival, I did pre-order mine. They did provide a tracking number, and so just took a few days FedEx delivery, and here it is. So please thumbs up if you like the video. Thank you.